Okay, I'm going to show you the ingredients you're going to need to make your Tofurky roast. The main ingredient obviously is the Tofurky, and you can usually find that in the frozen food section of your grocery store, or more likely in a Whole Foods type store, an organic store. You're going to need two medium-sized potatoes. We've got one here, the other we've already prepared. You're going to need two carrots. We've got one here prepared, the other one already. You're going to need half of an onion, or if you have a smaller onion you can use the whole thing, but this is pretty big so you just need half of it. You're going to need a cutting board to cut up these vegetables, and the knife obviously to cut the vegetables as well. You're going to need a pan to cook your Tofurky in with the vegetables. It needs to be big enough to fit the Tofurky and the vegetables in it. You're going to need some tin foil. For the base for the Tofurky, we're going to be using 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and then any seasonings that you really like. Today we're going to be using parsley, oregano, and thyme, but you can really use anything. Sage works good as well. And so that's what you're going to need to make your Tofurky roast. We're going to go ahead and preheat the oven at 350 degrees first, and then we'll get started with the vegetables and the Tofurky.